Wizard.
Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and I got some really exciting news for you today about our educational platform and what we've been doing. Over the years, we've had different fees and rates and so forth, and different levels and so forth for the program. But you know what? Times have changed, so is the Wizard, and so is our teaching platform. We are now offering for $59.99 our subscription model. That will include everything that was already in the old program. So you're still going to get the logos, the manual, you're going to get access to the class, you're going to be able to refer back to it, you're going to be able to have your employees use it. It's all going to be for everyone. So the subscription model is live now. You got to go on, you got to sign up. This is going to take you to the next level. It's going to show you how to do a price list, how to market wood restoration, how to perform the work, all the different types of wood, all the different kind of chemicals and products you're going to use. This is the best teaching platform for exterior wood restoration, bar none. And now you can get it for just $59.99 a month through the Wizard of Wood. Check out the website and sign up. If you have any questions, please also feel free to call us at our toll-free number that we'll list here, 866-440-3325. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. I'm here to help.